the car. Follow him. Move it! Move it!
Who are you guys, anyway?
Never mind that. Where's Sam and Sung Yin?
Alive.
You better hope so, sucker, or I'll break you up like chopsticks. Come on.
Murdoch.
Yeah.
Everything ready, Murdoch?
Artillery set to go boom, boom, Colonel.
What's that thing?
These are our cannon.
Well, you're never gonna stop them.
We stopped you. Never can tell. We could be on a roll. Gentlemen, we're gonna have a good old American 4th of July.
Over here, sucker!
Drop your guns. You can fish for tuna on the other side of the concrete. Now move it!
That's it, pal. Hit the deck.
Well, well, well. So much for your Maltese cow, Murdoch. Well, it looks to me like Maltese microfilm, right, Thomas?
Yeah. The guy's out of the country for about 10 years, and he comes back to the good old USA to start up his old action again. Now, what would he want with microfilm? List of names? I mean, some old phone numbers? Some of those great guys out there stuffing people in pencil sharpeners for a living? Underworld contacts, huh, Tomas? come on, Chris. Don't be so depressing. I mean, it's going to be fun. You get to meet a bunch of great guys in uniforms, get your picture taken, get some new gray clothes. Hey, the food is great. All that starch is terrific for your system.
Oh, incidentally, that little tape you had, it'll be following you around. I mean, we just wanted you to know that. I mean, we wouldn't want to do anything behind your back. We care about your feelings. We really do.
He was just one more hard-boiled set of psychopathic urges under a bad haircut. But even he knew he was going to a house where chess games lasted for 40 years.
Hey, man, we're here. Let's dump the jerk.
Great, and we're right in front of the police station. This isn't exactly safe.
What was, I wondered? Life? That's rich. Send him up and tell me another one, buddy. You want to know what's safe in this life? Sitting in church and eating a lot of raw fiber. The rest, well, you take your chances.
Grab him, Face.